You think we are going to let you off easy?
Please, just let me go. Tell me what you want and let me go.
You are smart. You know we wanted something lah. You smart lah. You think you can give?
We want 25,000 within next 2 hours. But not from you, from your husband. If you are lucky enough, he will pick up. If not, then it's too bad for you.
Hello.
Hello, is this Johnson?
Yeah, I'm Johnson.
Dear, help me!
Hey, what do you do with my wife?
Sounds very sweet, right?
Hey, what do you want from me, ah?
Okay, very simple. I'm telling you right now. We want 25,000 within the next 2 hours. You better don't call police. Bring it to 169 Jalan Besar. Got one warehouse, okay? Very simple. If you don't comply, right, and you call the police, right, I make sure your wife, the head at Ang Mo Kio, the leg at Toa Payoh, and then the arms, right, at Jurong East. Confirm, I tell you.
Okay. Don't do anything. Okay, wait, 25,000. Okay, here I come. Hey. This is
finally here.
Yeah, this is the $25,000.
Money.
Please let my wife off.
25,000.
Yes.
25k? Where you get so much money from? Always asking for money. You say no money. Hello, 25k! Where you get? Who's that?
Hello, is this Mr. Johnson? I'm Segway from Renopedia. I'm calling to inform you that we have gotten your inquiry regarding your home renovation and your budget is 25,000. Is that right? We will be sending 8 to 10 interior designers for you to choose from, yeah? Alright, thank you.
Okay, thanks. Oh, the 25k is for house renovation. Hey, oh my god, who beat you until like that? So poor thing. Come, we go see doctor. Aiyo.
Hey, maybe I'm sorry. Yeah. Away there.
Let's go.
Leave outside. Call the security. Sad thing. Hey, bro. Hey, our 25,000. It's there.
Hey, where's my baseball bat? Hey, just buy one.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.